The conversation around the next Fitbit tracker has shifted. Instead of just focusing on its release, the emphasis is now on its future direction. The anticipated 2026 Fitbit Charge 7 is pivotal for both users and Google's wearable strategy. Unlike previous iterations, it should not try to compete as a smartwatch. Instead, it needs to redefine its value in unexpected ways. To understand the Charge 7, it's essential to consider the Charge 6, which launched in late 2023 as one of Fitbit's most comprehensive trackers. It featured enhanced Google integration, improved heart rate algorithms, built-in GPS, and capabilities like Google Wallet and navigation support. While it appeared to be the ideal mix of a fitness tracker and a lightweight smartwatch, real-world performance told a more complex story. The hardware was solid but not groundbreaking, and the display felt limiting. GPS had reliability issues under certain conditions, and while battery life was decent, it wasn't class-leading with advanced features on. Ultimately, the user experience felt conflicted, as Fitbit attempted to merge fitness tracking with smartwatch functions, especially with Google's focus shifting towards the Pixel Watch lineup. That sets the stage for the Charge 7. In 2026, expectations for fitness trackers have shifted towards deeper health insights rather than just enhanced workout modes or pace tracking. The next generation Fitbit tracker is set to prioritize health monitoring, treating fitness as a secondary concern. Heart rate monitoring has evolved beyond simply tracking beats per minute. Users now seek stability across various intensities, fewer dropouts, and insightful data interpretation, including heart rate variability, recovery tracking, and stress response modeling. Sleep tracking remains a crucial focus, with shifting expectations requiring more than just sleep stage visualization. The Charge 7 is anticipated to deliver refined analysis, improved nap detection, better sleep consistency metrics, and clearer links between sleep quality and daily readiness, positioning it as a personal health companion rather than just a fitness tracker. The Charge 7 is anticipated to have a refined physical design while retaining its core identity as a slim, rectangular tracker suitable for all-day wear. Subtle improvements are expected, including a slightly larger AMOLED display that enhances readability without being overly big. Features like thin bezels, better brightness, and improved contrast will facilitate checking metrics during workouts or in direct sunlight. As notifications and health summaries become more extensive, an evolving display is essential to avoid bottlenecking usability. Comfort remains a priority, with rounded edges, lighter materials, and improved band ergonomics crucial for seamless long-term wear, particularly during sleep tracking. The Charge 7 is expected to maintain its core sensor stack, including the heart rate monitor, SpO2 sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, skin temperature tracking, and built-in GPS, with a focus on enhancing data accuracy and consistency rather than adding new sensors. Previous models faced challenges with heart rate accuracy and GPS performance, as a tight fit improved heart rate readings but affected GPS signal reception. For the Charge 7, improvements in antenna design and signal processing are anticipated, aiming for better performance without increasing battery consumption. Enhanced algorithms and sensor calibration are expected to provide more accurate heart rate tracking during high-intensity activities. Battery life is a key advantage of the Charge series, with the Charge 6 offering up to 7 days in ideal conditions. However, heavy usage, including an always-on display, GPS tracking, and frequent notifications, significantly reduces this. For the Charge 7, users are not only expecting similar battery life, but are demanding more consistent real-world endurance, with some looking for 10 to 14 days. Achieving this requires efficiency improvements rather than just a larger battery, such as a more power-efficient processor and optimized display behavior. Additionally, transitioning to USB-C for charging would enhance convenience and align with broader ecosystem standards. Connectivity on the Charge 7 is expected to remain focused and efficient. Bluetooth will continue to handle syncing, notifications, and smartphone integration. NFC support for contactless payments through Google Wallet is likely to stay. Compatibility with both Android and iOS will remain essential, but the key question is how far the device should go in adding smart features. The Charge 6 already introduced navigation prompts and media controls, but the small display limited their usability. Expanding these features without improving the interface risks creating friction rather than value. This is where strategic restraint becomes important. The Charge 7 doesn't need to compete with the Pixel Watch. It needs to complement it. Behind all of this is a larger shift in how Google is positioning Fitbit. Since acquiring Fitbit, Google has gradually integrated its services into the platform while shifting full smartwatch capabilities toward the Pixel Watch line. At the same time, Fitbit devices are increasingly being positioned as health-focused wearables. This creates a clear division: Pixel Watch for a full smartwatch experience. Fitbit Charge focuses on health and fitness tracking. If executed correctly, this separation could strengthen both product lines. But it also raises the stakes. Because if the Charge 7 fails to deliver meaningful improvements in its core identity, it risks becoming redundant in a market where competitors are rapidly evolving. If the Charge 7 is going to succeed in 2026, it doesn't need to reinvent the category. It needs to refine it. That means providing accurate and reliable health tracking, enhancing display usability without compromising the form factor, ensuring strong battery life under real-world conditions, addressing known issues such as GPS consistency, avoiding unnecessary feature overload, and most importantly, maintaining clarity of purpose, because the strength of the Charge series has always been its focus. Thank you for tuning in. The upcoming Fitbit Charge 7 isn't just a new device. It aims to redefine modern fitness tracking amid the smartwatch surge. If Google succeeds, the Charge 7 could become a key player in its category, not by doing it all, but by excelling at what matters. If it fails, it risks becoming irrelevant, a fate the Charge series cannot afford by 2026. So, the real question is, do you want a smarter smartwatch or a better understanding of your health? Let us know in the comments.